Is there. In Kazakh, master.
Бар ма?
Fast. Welcome from Synapse Lingo. Hey you, welcome. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Swing by www.synapse-lingo.com for extra practice and goodies. Today we unlock the tiny powerhouse question, is there?
Бар ма?
2 beats, tons of uses. A cowboy walks into a pub and asks, is there a bar? In Kazakh?
Бар?
Already means, there is. Your goal today. By the end, you'll ask.
Бар ма?
Anywhere with confidence. Core pattern. Thing plus.
Бар ма?
Examples you'll nail. Is there water?
Су бар ма?
Is there a seat?
Орын бар ма?
Is there time?
Уақыт бар ма?
Is there a doctor?
Дәрігер бар ма?
Rhythm drill. Bar ma beat. Clap with me. Make it musical and it will stick. Clap clap.
Бар ма? Бар ма?
Feel the 2 beats. Call and response. I say, coffee, you ask.
Кофе бар ма?
I say, Wi-Fi, you ask.
Wi-Fi бар ма?
I say, discount, you ask.
Жеңілдік бар ма?
Mini scenes. Ask like a local. Let's jump into quick, funny scenes you can steal in real life. At the station. Is there a bus to the airport?
Әуежайға автобус бар ма?
Ticket window. Is there a ticket for today?
Бүгінге билет бар ма?
Cafe. Is there a restroom nearby?
Жақын жерде дәретхана бар ма?
Menu moment. Is there any vegetarian food?
Вегетариандық тағам бар ма?
Lobby win. Is there a room?
Бөлме бар ма?
Umbrella day. Is there an umbrella?
Қолшатыр бар ма?
Pocket check. Is there money?
Ақша бар ма?
Dialogue. Wi-Fi and coffee. Short and sweet, repeat after each line. You, excuse me, is there Wi-Fi?
Wi-Fi бар ма?
Clerk. Yes, there is a password.
Иә, құпия сөз бар.
You, is there coffee?
Кофе бар ма?
Clerk.
Жоқ,
But tea, is there tea?
шай бар ма?
Grammar nugget. Fast flips. Tiny tweaks, huge power, watch this. Basic ask.
Бар ма?
Is there? Negative short answer.
Жоқ,
There isn't. Past check. Was there?
бар ма еді?
E.g., was there a seat?
Орын бар ма еді?
Closing parenthesis. Ownership versus existence. Do you have?
Сізде бар ма?
E.g., do you have water?
Сізде су бар ма?
Closing parenthesis. Culture tip. Bazaar savvy. Polite, friendly, and a little playful, that's your bargaining vibe. At a Kazakh bazaar, try, is there a discount?
Жеңілдік бар ма?
Gesture. Raise eyebrows, open palm up, tiny shrug, say.
Бар ма?
Hero mode in the field. Is there water? Is there fuel?
Су бар ма? Отын бар ма?
Memory hacks. Rhyme, image, magic. Lock it in with silly hooks, you'll never forget it. Rhyme it. Need to know? Just ask.
Бар ма?
Near or far, it sets the bar. Front door loci. Doormat keychain reads, is there a key?
Кілт бар ма?
Rainy microstory. You whisper, is there an umbrella?
Қолшатыр бар ма?
And a bright blue one appears. Magic spell. Abracadabra.
Бар ма?
Question mark quote. Mirror trick. Right.
Бар ма?
On a steamy mirror, the thing you seek appears. Speed quiz. Answer out loud, quick reactions build confidence. Q. How do you ask, is there coffee, in Kazakh? A.
Кофе бар ма?
Q. Is there Wi-Fi? A.
Wi-Fi бар ма?
Q. In a pharmacy, is there aspirin? A.
Аспирин бар ма?
Q. Library. Are there English books? A.
Ағылшын тіліндегі кітаптар бар ма?
Q. Opposite short answer of, is there? A.
Жоқ.
Fun extras, travel and sci-fi. Because you're not just learning, you're adventuring. Step life. Is there a well?
Құдық бар ма?
Ice check. Is there ice?
Мұз бар ма?
Cheese dreams. Is there cheese?
Ірімшік бар ма?
Mars base. Is there oxygen?
Оттегі бар ма?
Deep thought. Is there nothing?
Ештеңе бар ма?
Real world challenge. Time to use it. Micro missions for your next outing. At a cafe, ask for Wi-Fi and a drink.
Wi-Fi бар ма?
Slash.
Кофе бар ма?
At a market, try a friendly deal.
Жеңілдік бар ма?
At transport, secure comfort.
Орын бар ма?
Bonus field line if it's hot, water.
Су бар ма?
Thanks from Synapse Lingo. You did great, tiny phrase, huge utility. Remember, 2 beats open doors.
Бар ма?
Keep practicing with a smile and the open palm gesture, and don't fear a friendly.
Жоқ.
Just try another ask. Thanks for listening. For more lessons, drills, and freebies, visit www.synapse-lingo.com.